So let's have a look now at DWG file types. Very important if you're working with other third parties that might be using older versions of AutoCAD Electrical, or perhaps just even regular AutoCAD. I'm going to go up to the Quick Access toolbar, click on the flyout. In the Customize Quick Access toolbar, I'm going to switch Save As on. So I get the Save As icon there like so. So I've got demo01.dwg open. As I've mentioned previously, that's in the Demo 03 AutoCAD Electrical project. Now, if I go to do a Save As, you'll notice that the default DWG file type is an AutoCAD 2013 drawing. Now, every 3 years, Autodesk changes the DWG file type. Let me show you what I mean by clicking on the little flyout arrow here. So when I click there, I can save back to older versions of AutoCAD. AutoCAD Electrical 2013, AutoCAD Electrical 2014, and now AutoCAD Electrical 2015 all use the 2013 DWG file type. The 3 previous versions, 2010, 2011, 2012, all use the 2010 DWG file type. And thus it goes all the way back to AutoCAD Release 14. You can also save as a standards file, a template file. You can also save back as what is known as a DXF, which is a Drawing Exchange Format file. What that does is it rips out all the colors, all the text types and fonts, and what it does is it gives a shell of that drawing, all the basic information, so that you can then import that perhaps into a different CAD product. And again, you've got version numbers for those DXF file formats as well, all the way back to AutoCAD Release 12. So when you're working with third parties that might need your drawings, perhaps to work on a particular electrical installation, you need to just check what DWG file type they are using. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cancel that now, and what I'm going to do is switch Save As off on the Quick Access toolbar. If I come down here and click on the little spanner there on the command line and go to Options there like so, if I go to Open and Save, you'll see that my default is AutoCAD 2013. If I want to always save back to a 2010 file format, I can set it there, and every time I click on Save, it will save to a 2010 DWG file format. That might be a project requirement, it might be a client requirement, might be a third-party contractor requirement. But once you've saved it like that, just click on OK, and then every time you save your AutoCAD Electrical drawings, they will be compatible with AutoCAD Electrical 2010 and upwards in this case. I always use 2013 because obviously I'm working with a version of AutoCAD Electrical, 2015 in this case, that I know is compatible with a 2013 DWG file format. So what I'll do is I'll OK that, and then every time I save, it will save to a 2013 DWG file format in my AutoCAD Electrical project.